Step-by-step guide, implementing AI strategies in your digital marketing campaigns. Hello, and welcome to our step-by-step guide on implementing AI strategies in your digital marketing campaigns. In today's digital landscape, AI plays a crucial role in optimizing marketing efforts and driving better results. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage AI to supercharge your marketing campaigns. Step 1. Understanding your goals. The first step in implementing AI strategies in your digital marketing campaigns is to define your goals. Whether you aim to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or boost conversions, having clear objectives is essential. AI can help align your strategies with these goals by providing valuable insights and predictive analytics. Step 2. Data collection and analysis. Next, focus on data collection and analysis. Data is the fuel that powers AI-driven marketing strategies. Make sure to gather relevant data from various sources, such as website analytics, social media platforms, and customer interactions. Utilize AI tools to analyze this data effectively and uncover actionable insights. Step 3. Selecting the right AI tools. Choosing the right AI tools is crucial for the success of your campaigns. There are various AI platforms and tools available in the market, each offering unique features and capabilities. Consider factors such as your budget, specific requirements, and ease of integration when selecting the right tools for your digital marketing needs. Step 4. Implementing AI in campaigns. Now, it's time to implement AI in your campaigns. Start by integrating AI technologies into different aspects of your marketing strategies, such as audience targeting, content personalization, and ad optimization. AI can help automate tasks, segment audiences more effectively, and deliver personalized experiences to your target audience. Step 5. Monitoring and optimization. Monitoring campaign performance and optimizing in real time are essential steps in AI-driven marketing. Leverage AI-generated insights to track key metrics, analyze results, and make data-driven decisions. Continuously optimize your campaigns based on AI recommendations to improve performance and achieve your marketing goals. Congratulations! You've now completed our step-by-step guide on implementing AI strategies in your digital marketing campaigns. By understanding your goals, collecting and analyzing data, selecting the right AI tools, implementing AI in campaigns, and monitoring and optimizing performance, you can unlock the full potential of AI in your marketing efforts. Start implementing these strategies today and stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving digital marketing landscape. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on AI in digital marketing. See you in the next video.